This is the back of my head. So far we've used how many packs? I think I ordered 6.
Well, I've used the stuff that you've had up here,
Okay,
and then I opened up one, and then there's 2 that's left from that one that I'm filling.
Okay, so you're on your 3rd pack.
Yes.
And I've done 1 pack in the front.
And we still have all of this up here too.
Plus the other side of the front to do. Yeah. So, alright, so I'm feeling not very confident that I got enough hair, despite the fact that I ordered, let's see, 80 plus 20 or 40. 40, so it was 120 pieces that I ordered, which makes 60 sandwiches, but I just don't feel like that's gonna be enough, so I'm actually gonna get on Amazon and probably order some more, and you know, use Amazon Prime so they'll get here sooner. But yeah, what's up you guys? So today's video is the long awaited, much anticipated tape and extension video. So I told you guys that I really wanted to try these out, and I ordered some. They finally got here, and I've installed pretty much all of the back and this side here, but I figured I would show you guys how I'm installing them on this front section here. So I decided to turn the camera on and, like I said, show you guys what I'm doing. Alright guys, so this is what the hair looks like. I ordered 6 packs of hair, I think. So it was, yeah, 6 packs of hair. So it was 120 pieces. I ordered 2 packs of 16-inch hair and then 8 packs of 18-inch hair. So I've done all the 18-inch in the back, and I pretty much did 16-inch up here in the front. And this is what, like I said, they come looking like. So they come in the little white packet, and then you just have to take this twist tie off. When I was getting my sister to help me install these in the back, I was showing her a video of like what I needed her to do, and she was like, you know, these look really easy, like I wouldn't mind doing these. The other ones you do, I don't like those, but these I would do. So I was like, okay then. Alright, so I've got them separated. Basically, you can make 10 sandwiches out of 1 pack of hair. And what I actually did at the front was I took a couple of them and I cut them in half so that I could get really close to my hairline. So I'll show you guys this side. You can probably see a few of them because I got a little too close. But I wanted to get closer because I really wanted it to look really full, so that's what I did. So yeah, that's what I did. I don't regret going that close to my hairline, my hairline. Because I didn't know how this was going to work out. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever done them. So next time I would go a little further back with them, but at the same time, probably not. Just because, like I said, I really want full, and the likelihood of me pulling my hair up all the time isn't really feasible. Plus, I know right now my hair is super straight. Once it like gets some of its thickness back, you won't be able to see it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is just take off a little bit of hair. And the hair at the front of my head is a whole lot thinner than the hair at the back. So I want to be mindful because I just noticed on the other side that one of the pieces that I put in, it was a full sandwich, and I probably should have just done 2 half sandwiches so it wouldn't be too much weight on my hair. That's not the right one. But I want to be mindful to not put too little hair in here because that is possible too, and that can cause breakage because you have too much weight on the hair. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just push up and smooth this down on the hair, and then I'm going to move this hair out the way. Any hair that does not stick to it, you need to move out the way. I did learn that out of all the videos I watched, because you don't want that hair to either cause breakage because it's like caught up in the middle of it, and you also don't want it to get tangled, so, and again, cause breakage. Alright, so then I'm just going to peel the other piece off and put that on top of this sandwich. And I'm just going to squish those together. You can use heat to heat seal them, which I'm going to do after I do my entire head. But I wanted to go ahead and get them all in. And then if you just see, ooh, crap, okay. So you can see that looks pretty natural. The reason I did it at an angle is so that if I decide to pull my hair back, it looks more natural, and it flows with my hair, like the way my hair grows. Alright, so then I'm just gonna make a small part, and then I'm going to do another one right here. And I think I'm going to do another half one, but I'm going to do this one right up here. So, I need one more. Oh, another half one. I'm just having some trouble right now. I've been so nervous to put these in my head, you guys. Especially when I first got them. Because if you notice, they're like super silky. And I was like, my hair is not that silky. Like, I don't know how this is going to blend. And I still don't. It's just going to be trial and error, but I did want to try them just to say that I've tried taping extensions. I mean, if I hate them, I can always just take them right back out and go back to my normal fusion extensions, so no harm, no foul. But I wanted to at least try them out. Alright, so I've sectioned off. So disrespectful. Oh. Okay then, go for you. Alright, ooh, crap. You want to try not to touch it just because the oils on your fingers can break down the tape. So, yeah, try not to. But, I mean, if you do, like, we're doing it ourselves kind of people. So, mistakes happen, alright? And I'm okay with that. Totally okay with that. Alright, I'm gonna section off a little piece right here. So, this is where we're gonna go with this extension. I'm gonna push that back, and alright, this is my sticky side. Alright, so I'm just going to push this right up against my hairline, pull the hair over, and kind of press. So hopefully you can see I'm like pressing the hair onto it to make sure that what will stick, and then whatever doesn't, I'm just combing it away. So I'm lifting that off, and then I'm going to take the other piece and put right on top. And the reason I got my sister to do the back with me is because A, I'm a low-key perfectionist, but also because it's so critical with these that you really want to have them like put as closely, like you want them to match. So I'm trying to show you guys. So you want them to marry each other like as closely as possible, and I just didn't have the confidence that I could do that on myself quite yet. Louis is coming in and going back out. So that's why I got some assistance with the back, but I did do the front bow on my own, and I'm just getting ready to, like I said, finish up this side here, and then I think I'm gonna curl it, just to like give this hair some, like, I don't know, like I need it to have something because it's like super straight. Alright, so I am wondering, alright, so what I'm going to do next is actually do a straight part across and do one like that. So I could probably put another extension in here. And we might, we'll come back to that part though. Alright, so what I'm going to do is straight across, and I'm going to pull this hair straight down too. So this is the hair we're going to be sandwiching. I'm going to take one side of the hair